The Lippert Technical Institute stands at the forefront of RV education, continuously creating new content and refreshing our previous uploads. Our goal is to ensure you're always up to date with every educational opportunity we provide, aiding you in enhancing and expanding your knowledge. Now, let's dive into the video highlights from this past month. So far, we have released or updated around 14 videos, and a few will pique your interest if you enjoy new installations. In the video, Latch Extend RV door handle installation, you can follow Charlie as he shows you each step it takes to install Lippert's newly released product, Latch Extend. This RV door handle extension helps every RVer have the ability to open entry doors, even the smallest ones in the family. Next, I want to tell you about the How to Install a Lippert Battery Monitor video. Installing a new component can be difficult and confusing on your own, which is why we created this complete how-to video so you can use it to not only install your Lippert battery monitor, but also connect it to your Bluetooth device and input your specific details. But that was just one video in a series focused on battery monitors. We also released how to install a Furrion battery monitor. You not only get a peek into some of the work I have put into customizing our travel trailer, but you can also follow my step-by-step instructions to installing and calibrating your Furrion battery monitor. Those are just 3 selections from the extensive catalog of content we create, not just here on our YouTube channels, but also on the Technical Institute's online learning platform, LearnUpon. Each video is designed to motivate, inform, and empower, offering valuable insights for everyone, from the new RV owners to experienced technicians. Make sure to join us next time to explore our new releases.